Hey, this is Tom with Nextiva. In this video, we'll explain how to make and receive calls from the US to phone numbers in Mexico, the UK, and Canada at the lowest rates possible. Before we start, you can skip ahead to the section that's relevant to you by checking the time codes listed in the video description. Let's start with calls to Mexico. Step 1. Enter the exit code 011. This will signal that you're calling internationally. Step 2. Type in 52. This connects you to the Mexican country code. Step 3. Enter the area code. The residents of Mexico use a wide range of area codes depending on the part of the country that they live in. We have a list of Mexican area codes that you can check out by visiting the link in the video description. Okay, that's it. You will now be connected as long as you're using a phone approved for international phone calls. This may be as simple as double checking your call settings in your phone to make sure you have international calls enabled. Now on to calling the UK. We'll start with dialing the same exit code first. Calling someone in the United Kingdom from the United States is similar to outbound calls to Mexico. We'll start with dialing the same exit code first. Step 1. Enter the digits 011. This exit code signals that you are making a call outside of the United States. If you're on a cell phone, you may need to substitute the 011 for a plus. Step 2. Dial the country code. The UK country code is 44. All this does is allow you to get through to any UK-based phone number. Step 3. Dial the area code. One tip that may not appear obvious is if you see a 0 at the beginning of the area code, don't dial this digit. Just dial the numbers that follow it. We also have a list of UK-based area codes that you can check out by visiting the link in the video description. Alright, after that you should be all set. And again, you'll be connected as long as you're using a phone approved for international calls. Let's move on to calling a Canadian number from the US. This one's easy. To call a Canadian number, start by dialing the number 1. Next, dial the area code for the number that you're trying to reach. Now, dial the remaining 7 digits. And that's it. While the steps for calling Canada from the US are simpler, you'll still need to make sure that your phone is approved for international calling. Also, if you found the information in this video helpful, remember to subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on notifications to stay in the loop. Again, this is Tom with Nextiva. We'll see you next time.